This is how to make a fake cut with staples in it. First, use your scar wax from the last video, paint brushes or makeup brushes, a glue stick, staples, a pen, the fake blood from the first video, and any makeup palette. You take your glue stick and rub it on your arm where you want the fake cut, or if you want to put it on your face, you can put it there too. This will just help clean up later. Then you take your scar wax and roll it into a snake and put it in the area where you want your fake cut. Then you smooth it out. Then you take your pen and mark where you want your cut to be and poke holes where you want your staples to go. Then you take a thin eyeshadow brush or a paintbrush and use red and put it inside of your cut. This will help it make it look more realistic after you add the blood. Then you can take a blue and put it in your cut, just a little bit to make it look like the cut is a lot deeper. Then you take a fluffier eyeshadow brush or paintbrush and layer reds, purples, browns, and blues, and you can use yellow too to make it look bruised and irritated. Then you take your fake blood and you use a eyeshadow paintbrush to put it inside of your cut. It's okay if it gets a little messy because that'll just make it look more realistic. Then you take your staples and stick them where you want them. If you put too much, you can always take some out or put some more in. Then you can put some more blood where you put your staples in with a thinner brush. That's it.